Hey guys, I just want to do a real quick video on how to change the blade on my 10-inch compound miter saw. I'm going to show you the model number that I have. Again, this is a Craftsman 10-inch compound miter saw. All right, all you really need is a screwdriver and this size 5 Allen wrench. And so the first thing you want to do is unscrew this screw right here. And you don't need to take the screw out. You just want to screw it out far enough that you can have clearance from this right here. So this can slide back. Okay? So now once you have this slid back, you want to push this forward and that'll spin this all the way back like that. So now here's where your Allen wrench comes in, and this is like I said on my Craftsman. These are counterclockwise threads, and there's the catch in the saw is right here. So instead of righty tighty lefty loosey, it's the opposite because these are cross. So just take that off. And this is my laser light. Okay, in the owner's manual, I have a little bit of oil on my finger. It says to put a thin coat on this inner washer and then on the outer washer, the area that's going to contact the blade. So slide that in there. Washer back on, and remember those, you're going to want to turn that counterclockwise to tighten it, and then remember to hit your stop here and get that nice and tight. Okay, and then you want to pull this back down. And the only trick with this is you've got it, that screw has to be screwed in just a tiny bit to clear right there. And so once it clears right there, it's your Phillips screwdriver again. Tighten that up. And that is it. And that's how you change the blade out on this 10-inch compound miter saw made by Craftsman. Thanks for watching.